Merry Christmas. I just wanted to record a very quick video. It's Christmas Eve. Everyone's going mental. It's not snowing outside. We're in the UK, so traditionally it just rains. But I hope you're having a wonderful time wherever you are in the world. I just want to thank you for sticking around, being a member if you are of my channel, and listening to my rambling, which is exactly what you're doing today. So thank you. Have a wonderful day. I'll try and do some videos, maybe between now and New Year. If something comes up, I'll do something. But we'll be returning in the New Year, most certainly. So have a wonderful time. Merry Christmas. Have a great time. Have a great New Year. And I'll see you very soon. Have a good one.